yung camera ko eh. Hindi ba na-picture?
Kala ko naman mag-ano pa.
Tip off! And nagkatabi ka na. White takes up Boris possession. Nakachi na pass to Branigan. Makes the easy floater. Unang puntos na All Nations. While that, babawi ng gold team with the leading point guard. Egay Chavez. Rep ako. Fires number 3. Early shot. Walang nangyayari pero babawi na yan. Now, Guyong. Guyong will teach Repa on how to make the 3. And kabang!
Ito na, kikat. Wait lang, wait lang.
Now, Akachi again takes a rebound. Guyong. Guyong under basket pass. Back to Akachi. Akachi step back. Kick to Jim. Guyong will fire again from his range. That's no good. Chris Adam. Kabang! Repa. Regay Chavez steals the ball by De Guzman. Brani ngayon. Pass to Chris Adam. Loses. Masyado mababa ang pasa. Piano. Regay Chavez. Under basket pass pero steal yan ni Akachi. A 4B2 situation pero loses and nagkatabi pero nakuha pa rin. Under basket pass na naman kay Brani. Grabe ang cheering squad ng All Nations. Buhay na buhay. Anong gagawin ng goal dito? Unang puntos wala pa rin. Katabi ka naganap. Pass to Guyong. To Akachi. Akachi under basket pass to Brani. Brani again, nagbabakod. And Koska will make that 2. Now nabasag na ang itlog ng MOB Gold. Brani. Short. Rebound by Koska. Repa takes the ball. Pass to Egay. And Biado attacking, slashing.
Uy! Oh, ito naman ako. Tapon. Ay. Sorry.
Now Guyong fires again for the 3. Rebounded by Brani. Pass to Adap. Adap fires another 3. Valletta. Valletta makes it easy 2 with a conversion from Mr. Regay. Pinapashot nga pala sa Alexander Smith. Sabi ni Mr. Regay. And Adap against 5 from the 3. 3 out of 3 ang ginagawa ni Mr. Adap on the court. Now, sasagot na ba ang MOB goal? Wala, pero iba na Mr. Adap. Pass to Mr. Regay. To Koska. Koska from his range and too short. Guyong to Brani. Back to Guyong. Almost loses. And De Guzman. De Guzman from his range makes the easy pull-up J. Biado. Biado lays. Easy 2. Akachi. The magic shot. Brani napakasipag. Always under the court. Pero Bayeta nandun na naman ahead. Kaso, no good para sa finish. Sporada again from his range. Grabe! Pasok na naman ang kanyang 3. That's 4 out of 4 from his 3. .25 ang score natin. Nabante ng 15 ang All Nation. JM with a spin. Brani. Pull up J. Time out! MLB